YouTube? It's your girl Orlando Coupon Queen, and we are headed off to Walmart. So a couple things I wanted to be looking for: more Black Friday clearance, which I heard that there's a lot more being on clearance. And there's these scooters, like it's a scooter set for little kids, and there's like a helmet and all that, whatever. So that is being on clearance for I think $4, and they're regularly $40, so about 90% off for those. And I don't know what else. We'll see what I can find at this location. I don't think I've been to this. Well, yeah, I have. I live right next to it, but I think the last time I was there at that location was like about 2 weeks ago, maybe, or a week ago. I don't remember. Anyway, so I'm gonna see what's new on clearance. Today is Saturday, so it's kind of like a weird wonky day to go clearance shopping. I usually go on Sundays and Mondays because that's when they typically do their clearance, but we will check just in case if there's anything left over. Hopefully the stores are not packed, because today, like I said, it's Saturday and it's like the weekend before Thanksgiving, so pray for me. I don't know why I'm doing this, but let's see what we find. Alrighty, y'all, we are here, and yeah, it's a little busy, so pray for me because I don't know, I'm gonna have to fight some people. I'm just kidding. Anyways, we are here at my local Walmart. If you guys are local, you guys can recognize this Walmart. This is like my favorite Walmart. I live like right down the road from it. So let's see if we can find any of those scooters and other things. Brick Seek showed that there was more than 6 in stock at this location. Like I said, I'm gonna be searching. I do know people at this store, so if I don't find them here on the shelf, then I will go ahead and ask someone. But let's go ahead and check, make sure nobody is like actually checking. Look at this guy, looks like he's checking. All right, so far that was a no. I have a feeling that the person that we did see in the aisle was looking for the same exact ones, but I got connections again. Let me see if my friends are working, and I'm gonna check and see if they have them in the back. I'm trying to see if like maybe in the middle aisles, but I don't see nothing. And I remember seeing them, but I just, like I said, I don't know where they're at. I'm checking like everywhere. If not, then I'll just head over to a different store that says that they are in stock, but I'm gonna check the store first. All right, so my friends are working and they found 14 of them. He's gonna go check in the back for me. I told them I only want 10 of them. If you think about it, I'm buying 10 for $40, and one of them costs $40, so they're gonna go check. I swear, this part always makes me nervous because like my stomach is always in knots. So I don't think you guys understand the addiction of clearance shopping, but like just waiting next to these like doors, it's a little crazy. This is me running because he had told me that someone had moved them from the stock room to the clearance section, which I think I checked the clearance section, but I did not see them there. If I don't see them there, then I'll just head over to the next store that has them, supposedly. But I did kind of see that there was like a lot of vultures in that area. So wish me luck. Okay, guys, we might be on to something here. He said to check the garden center because they put them in the garden center because they're on clearance. So I was like, why would they put them on garden center when there's like nothing? But holy moly, they put like all the toys over here. I'm gonna scan some of these toys because this looks like a lot of back stock. I'm also going to search for the scooters. Look at this. This is from Black Friday. This is Black Friday for next week. So it looks like a lot of Black Friday items are already in store. I'm gonna go ahead and try to search for these scooters. It's a good thing that they're over here though, because not a lot of people would think to look out here. But all I see is bikes, a bunch of more bikes. Don't see any scooters. Okay, here I am off to another Walmart because I did not find nothing. Like I knew. This store is completely packed. So I'm gonna head over to another Walmart that's like about 20 minutes away. Brick Seek does show that they're in stock. And then if not that store, there's another store. I'm not gonna give up. I wanna find at least one, you know? I'm tired. Here we are, Walmart number 2. At this point, I'm gonna probably like call it a day because it is 4:35. And if it's not here, it's already late. I should have gone to Walmart earlier, but you know, I was just stuck at looking for deals. So I'm at Walmart number 2 if you're local. If you don't recognize the store, I'm at the Castleberry location. This store is pretty well and pretty good with clearance, but not so much. Sometimes it is, sometimes it's not. I'm gonna still scan the store. If I don't find the stupid scooters, I'm still gonna scan the store just to see if there's any other type of clearance, because I haven't been to the store in like about 2 months now, so I'm gonna check. I am officially annoyed, but like I said, it's not my fault. It kind of is my fault, but I came like super late. It's 4:41, and of course you're not gonna be here. So the box that I'm looking for is similar to these here. I scanned the purple one, it's a no-go. Scanned that black one, it's a no-go. So it's none of these. I'm gonna check the clearance section just in case, and the hallway whatever area. We officially gave up on the scooters, but I was like, you know what, let me check the clothing, because I haven't checked the clothing in this location yet, and this location is pretty big and they do have a lot of clothing. So as I was turning the corner, I found these pajamas. They're only $4. They're regularly $13.73. Here is the barcode, and then they come with a matching sweater, which is super cute, which is also only $4. So super cute, like last minute outfit, or not last minute outfit, but last minute gift. I'm gonna probably grab one of these, and then maybe one of these for my chillins, my children, if I could find the right size. Another one that I saw over here were these. I can't see from here. I don't have my glasses. If you guys haven't noticed, I haven't been wearing my glasses. I should, but I haven't. This is $7 from $10. A little bit too much for me. I'm gonna go ahead and check this one, because this is kind of like Halloween clearance and it doesn't have no price on it. This one here, if you can find it, is on clearance for $4. I wish they had it in my size, because it's only $4, but it's a extra, it's a 3X, so can't wear that. I'm upset, but it's $4. I'm gonna see if I can find more. This I told my daughter that I was gonna buy her this. I should buy her this for Christmas. I'm really debating on buying her this, because I told her to buy this so that she can look like Tiger King's you know, arch nemesis. So there's a lot of little pajamas here for super cheap. Check your stores. This one is $4 as well. Kind of matches the one that I have. It's a little off with the coloring. We have some furry pajamas for only $5. This one again $7, and so on. I'm gonna look for another Nightmare Before Christmas. So it's extra large. It is $4, so I'll probably get that one. Maybe, yeah, I'll probably get this one for my daughter. And I think that is it for this little section here. This one's only $3. These are super cute. They're size small. I'll get that for my daughter. And then I think there was some other ones here. Can't really see. I got a couple of these last time I was here. Again, we have Black Friday here on clearance. They're showing up for $5.50, but they're actually only $4, and this is a 15 pack, so it's not bad. Remember the other store that I was in, some of these were actually $2, like the men's socks. So I'll check the men's socks, but the kids socks are $4. I'll probably grab these, like I mentioned, because they do fit me, since they're size 4 to 10, and my kids are also this size too. So I'll probably grab this because it's a 15 pack. These sports bras were $5.50, and now they're only $4. So it looks like the store is only going down by $1, versus my other store was like down to like 50% off. You guys, just as I was about to leave, okay, I was about to leave and I was just over it. Okay, I turned the corner and I hit the jackpot. Okay, look at that, $4 each. Let me show you guys the SKU. If I can find the SKU. Here is the barcode. Go ahead and scan it. And like I mentioned, I'm probably gonna buy like 10 of them, I don't know if there's 10. I think there's 10. There's 4, 8, about 10 total. So there's like about 10. As you see here, they're regularly priced at $39.93 and they're only $4. Here is all 10 of them. I did leave 3 on the shelf, so I'm getting 10. For those of you guys are probably going to be negative in my comments, don't be negative. We are not negative here. I collect toys. Well, this year you guys know that I've been making it my goal to collect toys for Christmas, so I'm only spending $40 on 10 scooters, and then they're going straight to my little storage for donations. So again, each store is different. I will be posting the SKU numbers and everything on my Instagram page, but then I also put it down in the description box below. When I say I'm so excited, like, I don't even know. Y'all don't understand the excitement I feel right now, because I was legit about to leave. I was telling my husband, right? I was like, I'm leaving. I'm done. I'm over these freaking scooters. And look, I'm so excited. So there you have it. All my scooters are in the back trunk. So not back trunk, but back seat. I'm sorry. I'm a little excited. So it is what? 5:45, and I thought that I was late to the party, but I wasn't late to the party. So make sure you check your stores. I will be posting the SKU numbers and all the information below too. I'll even post the Brickseek link down below too. As always, don't forget to follow me on Instagram for more up-to-date deals, and I miss you guys, and I'm so happy to be back at posting and filming more videos for you guys. Even though, see, my thing was like, if my video wasn't like 10 minutes long, I wasn't going to post it, but now at this point I want to just like keep you guys updated and all that, so I'm gonna post whatever amount of minutes, whatever type of videos. I'm gonna try to keep on pushing. Tomorrow I will be posting, or I will be filming, a Target Black Friday sale video. I will give you guys the pros and cons on what's the better store. I know I'm blabbering a lot. Anyways, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, like I mentioned. Also on TikTok. I am on TikTok, and as always, you guys, I love y'all. And let me know down below if you guys scored any great deals, and what are you guys expecting to see on sale for this holiday season, or what are you guys looking for on sale this holiday season. So yeah, love y'all. Bye.